Hi subscribers, I'm Amir from Skills Impact, and in this video, we are going to introduce our brand new series, AI inside Microsoft Office. This is the first video of our series, and in this video, we will explore a powerful new way to perform data analysis in Excel using the artificial intelligence. Forget about the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and complicated pivot tables. With the advancement in technology, we now have a more intuitive and efficient approach to gaining insights from our data. In recent updates, Excel has integrated AI-powered tools that can make your data analysis process much smoother. Click on the suggested link if you want to get the latest version of Microsoft Office for 100% free. Now, let's start our video. This is the table of 5 columns. Before analyzing the data in this table, make sure your data is clean, complete, and formatted properly. This is crucial for accurate data analysis. Also, make sure that your computer is connected to the internet. Now to analyze the data in this table, we will go in Home tab, and in Home tab, you can find here an option Analyze Data. Click here. Now here you can see that Excel has calculated something for us. Excel has calculated the salary and the age by city. These are the name of different cities. This is the average salary of the employees from this city, and this is the average age of the employees from this city. You can see the information of all cities. If you want to insert a pivot table for this information, then you just have to click here on Insert Pivot Table. Now, just click any cell inside this table, and here you can find the pivot table for this information. You can see all the fields like filter, columns, rows, and values. Now let's go in the sheet 1. And here you can find different charts. Here's the scatter chart of the salary by age. You can also insert this chart. Here, this is the chart for frequency of salary and frequency of age. Not only this, you can also tell the Excel to create a bar chart for specific column. For this, you have to tell the Excel. For example, I tell here the Excel to create a bar chart for the salaries. So I will type here, create a bar chart for salaries. Press enter. And here you can see the bar chart. We will just click here on Insert Pivot Chart. And here you can see that the pivot chart has been inserted in another worksheet. Let's maximize the size of this chart. So from this chart, you can analyze that Brian Wilson has the highest salary. Here, these are the names of different employees, and these are the average salaries of these employees. Let's go in the sheet 1 and let's try another command. Now let's type here what is the maximum salary in the IT department. Here you can see that it is telling us that the maximum salary in the IT department is $90,000. Let's expand the command. We will put here comma and let's expand the command. Now it will tell us the name of the person who has the highest salary. Press enter. So now here you can see that Brian Wilson in the company has the highest salary. Let's double check this. We will select the IT department. In salaries, here you can see the salaries are from smallest to largest, and the largest salary is 90,000. Uncheck and check this box. Click OK. Now you can see that Brian Wilson from IT department has the salary of $90,000. So this was all about the AI data analysis in the Excel. Thank you for being the part of our incredible community. Don't forget to comment below on AI related questions you have or features you are excited about. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will not miss a single episode of AI inside Microsoft Office. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and I will see you in the next episode.